I travel on. There's an aching deep inside that no longer I can hide, and it's telling me once more it's time to roam. So again I'm on my way, heading out across the bay, but I cannot tell when I'll be coming home. Everywhere. See, there's the North Star guiding me, and a light on the horizon showing where I long to be. Outward bound I travel on through rain or shine, where empty seas and memories are all that's mine.
Take this kiss upon the brow, and in parting from you now, this much let me avow. You are not wrong who deem that my days have been a dream. Yet if hope has flown away, in a night or in a day, in a vision or in none, is it therefore the less gone? All that we see or seem is but a dream within a dream. I stand amid the roar of a surf-tormented shore, and I hold within my hand grains of the golden sand. How few, yet how they creep through my fingers to the deep while I weep. Oh God, can I not grasp them with a tighter clasp? Oh God, can I not save one from the pitiless wave? Is all that we see or seem but a dream within a dream within a